Hey everyone, it's Skylar. Welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope you do very well. Tonight is another food review. This time we are doing a lobster pot, which is like English meals. Peter's got chips and curry with a savoury cake. And I have chips. Normally it's just salt. We've got curry sauce, we've got peas, and got some spam fritters. So, oh, that's nice curry. I like that. That is nice curry sauce. Chips. Let me get one. So let me just pull it apart for you. Cut perfectly, nice and soft in the middle. Perfectly cut chips. I am enjoying this. But yeah, that's the curry sauce. Whoop! We spilled a bit on my fingers. Oh, that's all good. Then we have the peas. I'll just show you on me. It's mushy peas. A little bit salty, but not too bad. So, it's nice. I'm enjoying these chips, by the way. Fries for you guys across the pond. We'll have a spam fritter. Gotta try a spam fritter. They're huge tonight. That's how they look like. So yeah, it's like battered. So. Oh boy, that is nice. The consistency in that pretty good. And nice with the curry. Let's try with the peas. A little bit naughty, but you know it's got to be done. That is one of the nicest spam fritters I've ever had. Lobster, are you doing well? I'm gonna say this right now on camera. I prefer this than what I had last week as my takeaway. Last week as my takeaway. Whoa, and that's saying something. The only thing I would say a little bit negative is the peas are just a little bit salty. I'm going to tell you my thoughts on everything now. So, yeah. We'll start with the fish, because that is the only kind of negative thing I would say, but not like in a bad way. In the middle, the fish is beautiful, but the batter, it's too thick and too hard. That would be the only thing. But the fish inside, it was nice, but the batter's too thick and too hard. You need a lightly battered fish. That was too thick, but it was. I would say it was. The batter was a bit like rubber. That's the only negative thing I'll say about the fish. But fish was alright, so I'm gonna go halfway in the middle and give it a 5 because of the inside. The inside was perfectly cooked, and it was light, which was not too bad. The only thing that let it down was the outside. Peas, I'm going to go the same with the peas. Only reason being is because they are a little bit salty for my liking. But the chips for me, I love these chips. They are really, really tasty, really, really nice. They're cooked right. They are thick, chunky chips or fries. You're actually going to get a 9 out of 10 for me for the chips. 9 out of 10. I'm impressed with the chips. Love the chips. But the spam fritter, that is something else. Like, that is perfect. That is absolutely perfect. That is a absolutely gorgeous spam fritter. 9 again for the spam fritter. I can't give it a 10 because it's not perfect, but it's
more curry.
One of the best. Yeah, there's some more curry for you. Yeah, Pedro wants some more. He's liking the curry. That's what I'm going to go on to now. That curry is a 10 out of 10 for me. That is one of the most bestest curries I've ever tasted in my life. So, Pedro, try not to get any grease on my DVD player because it'll wreck my DVD player. Okay? Just tell him try not to get any grease on my DVD player. Right. So we're going to get Pedro's results now. So, Pedro, out of 10 for your chips, what do you rate? Waka. Oh, Waka, out of 10 for your chips, what do you rate?
What?
For your chips, out of 10, what do you rate? He's still deaf, by the way. Apologies. Out of 10 for your chips, what do you rate?
The chips?
Yeah. 9 out of 10 for his chips.
Yeah, go fuck off. Yeah.
Curry, the same. The curry, the same. Waka, I'm talking to you.
Says yeah.
What about your fish cake, your savoury cake?
Nothing so fucking clever.
So 5 out of 10 for your savoury cake. Yeah. So, all in all, we love the chips and the curry. That's the best. We do like the chips and the curry. We'll definitely go back there for the chips and curry. Possibly the spam fritter. He's not too fussed on his savoury cake, so that's why he's giving it a 5, because it's the same as the fish. Bland. Don't get me wrong, the fish was nice in the middle, but it's the outside. I think it's the outside for him, but he likes that curry. That's why he said, give me some more. For him to say, give me more curry, he likes it. Oh yeah, and I also got a cream soda with the food. So, let's try the cream soda. Ooh. I do like that. I do like that. For you guys that don't know, all this was £11.20 for a small fish, small portion of chips, 2 spam fritters, a savoury cake, a carton of curry, a carton of peas, and a cream soda. £11.20. Would I say that's worth £11.20? Yes, I would. The reason why I'd say that, to me, this, I will be honest, I enjoyed this more than the meal I did last week. By far. I just wanted something just easy, simple, British for you guys to see. And for me to talk to you guys about. I didn't want like a Chinese or a Greek or anything else like that. I didn't want kebab. I just wanted plain, proper, English, British food for me to taste and review from Lobster Pot, because they do one of the nicest chips. But I'm actually surprised at that curry. I thought that curry was going to blow our heads off. We would have had to go to the toilet or anything like that. I love it. I would definitely go back to Lobster Pot just to have, and this is me, small chips, spam fritter with curry sauce on top. And I will be happy eating that for my dinner with a can of cream soda. And all this, £11.20, is blew me away. Now that's how much you should be paying for food. So I'm impressed. Impressed with Lobster Pot. Definitely go back again. One of the best foods I've had by far, especially that curry sauce. Ooh. And people say to have, like, if you want your fish, chips, like peas and curry sauce, go for it. But I do. But the only thing is, that's what upset me a bit. It was a bit too salty. Not bad mushy peas, but it's a bit salty. So, I've finished my food review. Highly recommended. If you're ever in Liverpool, go to Lobster Pot. It's not bad. It's pretty good. I'll definitely go back again. So now I'm going to eat my chips, eat my fries, and enjoy some grub. So, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Turn that notification bell and you get a brand new video from me very, very soon. I'm going to enjoy some British grub. So, stay gaudy, have unpleasant dreams. I'll see you all soon. And this is the last treat for me until the weekend. Until after the weekend. So, yeah. Stay gaudy, have unpleasant dreams. See you all soon. Cheers with my cream soda. Ciao, ciao.